Hello, this is a quick demonstration to show how you can create a Google form, which will then populate into a Google spreadsheet so that you can incorporate your Google spreadsheet information into a Google map. So you need to have a Google account, and if you click on the set of tessera there, and if you go onto Forms, so we want to go to Documents, Drive, and create a new More Forms. So the most important thing about creating a form is to keep in mind that in order for the data to import smoothly into Google Maps, you need to have at least 3 columns of data. So we'll talk about favorite sites, and as we're going through here, the first question, the name of the question will be the title of the column in the spreadsheet. So it could be that you kind of put into here, for readability on your user end, a long title, but when we dump that into a spreadsheet, we're going to shorten that down a little bit. So here, what's the name of your favorite? There are various different types of answer choices that you have. I'm just going to make this short answer. And it's a good idea, remember, you have to have at least 3 items. So at least one should be what you're going to have the title of your marker going to be. The second should be the location of that marker on the map. Keep in mind that people can put in street addresses. They can put in, if it's a major site name, it would be searchable by Google. So street addresses or major site names could be searchable. They could also do a longitude and latitude. So here I've done what the favorite city is, and when the map marker goes to locate, it's going to go to whatever's the central location. So if I put US, it's going to put it in the middle of US. If I put Austin, Texas, it's going to put it in the middle of Austin, Texas. If I put an actual street address in Austin, Texas, it will go to the street address level. So again, keep in mind you need what would be the equivalent of the name of the marker and the location of the marker as at least 2 of your questions. And then that third question would be the description that goes into the marker box. So let's do that. Now, because you need at least 3 data points, you're going to need to make at least 3 of the questions required. So this is the marker name, this is the marker location, and this is the marker description. Now you can always add more, and the more that you add to this list, just those things are going to show up in the description. So anything that is not in the name of the marker or the location of the marker will show up in the description. So this is where you can, we'll make this favorite sites is the name of this document, and then you can send out this URL. You can send by link or by email, maybe a shortened URL. Send it out to your family and friends or survey takers.